Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in IELTS writing and IELTS speaking, there is an important marking criteria of the examiner that is called coherence and cohesion. In writing, 25% marks are given of coherence and cohesion. In speaking, examiners see how connected your ideas are and how organized your ideas are. So in order to present good coherence and cohesion, not only in writing but also in speaking, you need a list of words, and these words actually help you. These words are like cement. They join the bricks of your words and sentences, and as a result you impress the examiner and you get your desired band. There is a list of 250 words, and these words are enough, more than enough, to achieve good coherence and good cohesion in essay writing, in letter writing, in report writing, and in speaking as well. Not only that, these words, these 250 words will also help you with your IELTS listening, because in listening part 4, they present ideas in a logical flow like firstly, secondly, lastly, most importantly. So all these things you are going to find, but I'm not going to give you this list of 200 magic words to achieve coherence and cohesion of your essay. For that, you have to pay the price, and the price is 2 comments under this video. Yes, not 1 comment this time, 2 separate comments under this video. So you just need to comment under the video, and then I'm going to share this wonderful handout which contains 250 words which will help you to achieve coherence and cohesion of your essay, of your letter, of your report, and in speaking also, especially speaking part 1, part 2, part 3, you will be speaking in a very well organized manner. Right? Exactly. So very soon I'm going to share this handout. This is going to be my pinned comment below, and all you need to do, you need to find a link on my pinned comment, click on the link, and that will open to a new window, and that is going to be Google Drive, and there click the right mouse button and you are going to download that, and I would advise you to print it out and then listen up how to learn it. Now don't just hurry to get the handout and leave the video here, not at all. You must follow my instructions. My handouts should be used according to my instructions, then they will benefit you, otherwise they will not benefit you at all. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to start doing at least 25 words a day. Now what you have to do, just type the word in Google and find the meaning of that word in your native language. And then you must learn at least 2 to 3 sentences about the use of that word or phrase from Google. Let me tell you, only words without any reference, without any sentences, without any contextual use are useless. So that is why every day you can learn 10 words. Just type one word. Okay, for example, if the word is this, type that word and then see, okay, what is the meaning of the word in my native language? Write it down on your handout, print it out first, okay? Then see the usage of that phrase or word, then see the sentences, and at least try to learn 1 sentence. And then whenever you're writing an essay, you're writing a report, you're writing a letter, or you are speaking on IELTS part 1, part 2, part 3, try to incorporate those words in your conversation. And then when you're going to go to take your actual IELTS test, believe me, one of the 4 important criterias, coherence and cohesion, you will get very good score in coherence and cohesion, and this good score will influence your overall IELTS score as well. Thank you very much guys. See that? Now I have come to a point where I'm going to help you more than 100%. I'm going to share all I have. Nothing is going to be hidden. No secret. Everything is going to be revealed in my videos. Just do pray for me, and I pray for you, for your success, and believe me, I'm going to come up with more because I'm quite excited to help you. It reminds me a famous quotation of my favorite motivational speaker, Zig Ziglar. Zig Ziglar used to say, if you help people get what they want, you will get what you want. So if I help you achieve your goal in Ielts, definitely God will help me achieve my goal in my life. That's all. I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.